All right, we got these amazing Maston polarized sunglasses. Got the 3-pack. The one I got, these are all the same. They all look the same. They are polarized. And let me just go out here and show you what they look like out in the sun. I'm wearing them out in the sun. Great for whatever. There's sun out. You got to wear these. These are a great value. And also, dude, there's 3 of them. That's insane. They're very comfortable on my face. I like the way the lenses look. Let me just show you the vibe on the inside where it sits on your nose. Oftentimes, certain sunglasses, they're uncomfortable the way they sit on your nose. These don't have that. And this is the way it looks on the side right there. I think these are perfect. They're great. I think they're just great value. The fact that you get 3 of them, it's perfect for me. And they are UV 400 protection, which is also very important to me. But super stylish, and they get the job done. So these are the ones you need. I highly recommend them.